wrap up our discussion of time functions, we're going to look at three things. How do you add a constant time to a set of times, like 5.5 hours to a list of times? How do you add up a list of times, which is not as easy as you think, and then how to create a sequence of time. So let's suppose you want to add 5.5 hours to these times. This is 8:30 at night, 8:21 in the morning, etc. So all you do is you use that time function. So we added 5.5 hours, so that'll bring us to 26 hours, which is 2 a.m. We add 5.5 hours, that's 13:51, which is 1:51 p.m. Now, you can do this with dates if you have a date format here, okay, with the time. So at March 19th, 2030, which is the same as this. Then I added those 5 hours and 30 minutes, and now you know it's the next day. That works fine. And here we added the 5 hours and 30 minutes. You know it's the same day, 1:51 p.m. Now to make that work, I had to change the format into basically where it shows the date and the time, or this would not have worked. Okay, next thing. How do you add up a set of times? Suppose this is how many hours we worked each day of the week. How many hours total did we work? Well, you would just add these up, right? There's a sum function, but that's going to be a problem because it says 14 hours. Now, you probably have figured out by now why that's happened, because this adds up to 24, 30, it's about 38 hours. Okay, and it's recycling over 24, taking away 24 hours. Now, if you want to add those up, you can use exactly the same formula. But you got to change the format. See, the format here, okay, is just hours, colon, minute, minute. Now, what I did was change the formula here to basically right here, where it's got this one, 37 hours, 30.55 as an example there. Okay, and that works fine. So in other words, it's, what is it, the 1, 2, 3, the seventh time format down. And then it gets 38 hours and 48 minutes. So that will work, and that would work out fine if it was less than 24 hours. Now, finally, how do you create a sequence of times? Well, that's easy. If you start with 8 a.m. and you want a doctor's appointments every 20 minutes, and then you can just copy that down. And then basically, again, you could change the format if you want to have the AM and PM there. But we'll leave it alone like that. So that, I think, in our 3 videos is pretty good discussion of the tricks with time, how Excel handles.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.